Technal architectural aluminium systems provide comfort and privacy, full of natural light. Technal design is a compendium of functionality, eco-friendliness, energy savings, integration with the surroundings, and a large measure of originality. Exclusive finishes and colors and wide selection of handles and accessories give an unparalleled scope of possibilities in adapting to any architectural style. The Technal Innovation and Test Center in Toulouse is unparalleled in the field of aluminium glazing systems. Its in-depth research and testing enable products to be made with quality levels surpassing the regulations and standards in every market. Around the world, Technal works with metal builders that guarantee the highest quality in facade systems and their installation. With more than 50 years' experience creating innovative solutions in aluminium facade systems, Technal has acquired numerous certifications on 5 continents. This historical achievement has allowed it to work with countless architects, both well-known and emerging, who've given the company a limitless global vision, enabling it to provide solutions for even the most complex projects. With its design culture, technical rigor, and superb quality, Technal knows no bounds.